Welcome, small business owners from around the world. Whether you're in the bustling streets of New York, the historic lanes of London, or the vibrant markets of Istanbul, there's one thing we all strive for: efficiency and productivity. Today, we're diving into the world of AI, showcasing top tools that can transform your business operations. First on our list is Jasper AI, a powerful content creation tool. Imagine crafting engaging blog posts, social media updates, or product descriptions in seconds. Jasper AI uses natural language processing to generate text that sounds human, saving you precious time and effort. Next, meet Grammarly, the AI assistant that ensures your communication is clear and professional. Whether you're drafting an email to clients in Germany or a proposal for partners in Singapore, Grammarly catches errors and suggests improvements, making sure your message hits the mark every time. For those managing customer interactions, ChatGPT is your go-to. This AI tool can handle customer inquiries efficiently, providing quick responses and freeing up your team to focus on complex tasks. It's like having an extra employee who works 24/7 without a break. If you're in the retail business, Shelf.ai can revolutionize how you manage inventory. By predicting stock needs and optimizing supply chains, this tool helps you reduce waste and improve cash flow. A game changer for businesses in Switzerland and beyond. Let's not forget about Xero, an AI-powered accounting software. It simplifies bookkeeping, tracks expenses, and generates financial reports with ease. Xero is especially beneficial for entrepreneurs in countries like Spain and Ireland, where financial compliance is key. Moving on, Canva is perfect for those who need design support. Whether it's creating marketing materials or designing a new logo, Canva's AI features make it easy for anyone to produce professional quality visuals. Finally, we have HubSpot, an all-in-one marketing platform that uses AI to enhance customer relationship management. From automating emails to analyzing customer data, HubSpot helps you understand and engage your audience effectively. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, helping you streamline operations and drive growth in your business. As you consider these options, think about your specific needs and how AI can address them. Thank you for joining us on this journey through top AI tools for small business owners. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more insightful content. Until next time, keep innovating and growing your business.